Imagine you wake up one morning to your new BMW M5. You walk up to it, open up the hood and admire the engine. You then close the hood and proceed to the driver's seat in excitement. As you sit inside, you take a minute to admire this beautiful machine. You close your door, place the M5 in drive and slowly drive your way to the autobahn.
Bad thing or anything. We're going to go for M2, which is DSC all the way off, two-wheel drive mode. And that should give us some room to play because this M5 CS is a whole other beast. It is on paper 9-8 seconds, and BMW says it should do 3 seconds, so that is the truth. It is also limited at 305 kilometers an hour, so we're going to see if we can test that out as well. That's a stupid notification. That's not correct. We have the wrong dials. Okay, so nice and empty here. The amazing part about this car is that still at this speed and at the autobahn, it is actually quite comfy and it is not unsettled by bumps. So you have a car that has been set up for the track that feels much more firm and tight than a regular M5, but it's still relatively comfy.
The new BMW CS, it has an upgraded look with a more aggressive design. And it is as aggressive on the outside as it is on the inside. The engine of the BMW M5 Cs has a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 giving you 635 horsepower, and it has four-wheel drive with rear-wheel bias. The interior is very professionally designed and made. The bucket seats hold you firmly if you are engaging in high-speed driving. The dashboard, door trims, steering and ceiling of the car are very well done and have a welcoming feel. You get all that comfort, style and design in one package with a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 3.2 seconds. However, a big question is whether it feels different to a standard M5 competition, and it does. From the turning to the acceleration to the overall drive of the car, it's marvelous. But you will pay £141,000 for this piece of engineering. If you have that kind of money, you should definitely buy it.